If you are a local business owner, chances are you have asked this question before. How do I actually grow my business online? You may have tried Instagram, you maybe thought about ads, maybe you even considered a website, but nothing felt clear. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I would use AI and simple systems to improve online visibility for any local business. Step by step from zero. Nothing complicated, no technical knowledge, just what actually works and the things that I have personally tried. So let's start with the foundation. Before anything else, we need one thing: a website. In the past, I have tried selling websites to many local business owners, and the most common doubt I heard was this: who's even going to find my website? Why do I even need a website? So let me clear this once and for all. A website is your digital home. You set it up once and it works for you 24/7, like a digital marketer that never sleeps. If someone asks you about your business and you don't have a visiting card with you, you don't need to explain everything. You can just say go to xyz.com and everything about my business is there. That's it. It saves you time and it also saves you time of your customer. What a website actually does for your business: a website clearly shows what you do, where you are, how to contact you, so your customers can understand your service without calling you, decide faster, and trust you more. And the best part, your website works even when your shop is closed. Online presence builds instant trust. Let's be honest, only serious businesses have websites. And moving forward, for everyone else, I'll talk about Google listing, reviews, content. A website becomes the foundation. So make sure you do this first step. A good website answers common questions, reduces unnecessary calls and messages, saves you time, converts curious visitors into real customers. This is not about design, it's about visibility and conversion. Don't overthink tech. You don't need coding, fancy animations, a huge budget. Your goal is simple: clear information, clean layout, and contact options. And one important thing, your website link should be easy to say and easy to remember, not something long that customers can't even catch. How to build your website? You can go the classic route, hire a freelancer. They may charge anywhere from $100 to $500. If you find someone trustworthy who saves you a lot of time and a lot of cost, that's fine. But today, we don't need to spend money. Why waste money when AI can do the job for you for free? Now, I would recommend some AI tools that you can use to build your website easily in just a few hours. If you want a simple and a quick setup, you can use System.io. It's template based and it's beginner friendly. If you want full customization, you can use AI builders like Bold.new, Lovable, or tools like Replit and other similar AI coders. Just search on YouTube how to build a local business website using AI, and you will find step by step tutorials that you can easily follow. What I recommend you to start simple, build something basic, and you can always improve later. And if you want, comment below. I'll make a dedicated video on each of these tools. Now that the foundation is clear, let's move on to the next step: Google Business Profile. Now let's talk about Google Business Profile. Because for a local business, this is non-negotiable. If you are a local business, Google is your biggest traffic source. When people search things like restaurant near me, barber near me, plumber near me, Google doesn't show websites first. It shows map results first. And if you don't have a Google Business Profile, you simply don't exist online. What a Google Business Profile actually does: a Google Business Profile puts your business directly on Google searches and Google Maps. It shows your business name, your location, working hours, phone number, website link, photos. So your customers can call you instantly, get directions for your shop, visit your website, all without opening any social media app. Why this traffic is extremely valuable? The Google Business Profile gives you high intent traffic. People on Google will not scroll for fun. They are ready to take action. This traffic converts better than any Instagram, YouTube, or even paid ads. How to set it up? Setting it up is very simple. Just search for Google Business Profile and start your setup process. While setting it up, Choose the correct primary category, fill every single field completely, add real photos of your business, keep your timings updated, and if your website is ready, link it here. That's it. No ads, no tricks, just clean and accurate information. Your website builds the foundation. Google Business Profile gives you discovery without paying a single penny. Now, after completing all these two steps, let's move on to the next step, because without it, your Google Business Profile is still incomplete. Reviews. Now, let's talk about reviews, because this is the most important part of your local business growth. Reviews matter more than anything else. Reviews are the biggest trust signals for any local business. When people see multiple business on Google, they don't overthink. They choose the one with more reviews and better reviews. No reviews equals to no trust. Reviews decide whether someone clicks, whether someone calls you, or whether they even walk into your shop. Reviews directly affect your Google ranking. Reviews don't just build trust, they directly affect your Google business profile ranking. Now, let's say someone searches barber shop near Gurgaon, and let's assume you are a barber and you run a barber shop in Gurgaon, but your reviews are lower than everyone else. You will rank below them and nobody would be able to find you. If you want to rank on the top, you need more reviews and recent activities. This increases your visibility automatically. Reviews tell Google this business is real, this business is active, customers like this business, and that's why reviews push you on Google. Where reviews actually happen? All reviews happen on Google Business Profile. If you have already created your profile, you're already set to go. Customers do not review on websites. They do not review on random platforms. Everything is centralized on Google Maps and Google searches. How can your customers leave reviews? What you have to do is you have to generate a Google review link from your business profile. The customer clicks on the link, logs in with their Google, and leaves a review. That's it. Your review instantly appears on Google searches, Google Maps, and your Google business profile. Now, here's a simple but powerful strategy. Convert your Google review link into a QR code. You can place that QR code on restaurant menus, at billing counters, on tables, in barbershop mirrors, on visiting cards. This removes friction. No typing, no searching. They just scan for your QR code and they are directly on your review page. When to ask for your reviews? Always ask right after a good service. If your customer is smiling, and even if they are your regular customers, they are already happy with your service. Just say something like, if you liked our service, a Google review would really help us. Timing matters more than asking aggressively. Remember. Also, don't chase 1,000 reviews in one day. Google prefers sturdy reviews, real reviews, and ongoing activity. Even 1 to 3 per week compounds every single time. Reviews unlock higher visibility on Google, more trust, more calls, and more walk-ins. Free growth without ads. Website builds your foundation. Google Business Profile gives you a discovery. Reviews decide who wins. Reviews decide whether you dominate your local market. Without reviews, your Google Business Profile stays invisible. Once this is done, let's move on to our next step, because after this step, you won't need anyone's assistant to grow your business. AI as your personal assistant. Now, let me clear one big misunderstanding. Most people think AI is only for tech people and it's only useful for writing random things. Well, that's not true. AI can become your personal business assistant. What AI as an assistant really matters, AI is not here to replace your business, it's here to support you. Think of AI like a helper who understands your business and helps you make better decisions. How a business owner can use AI? It's pretty simple. You just open ChatGPT. Well, you can use other AIs as well, but I recommend ChatGPT for you. And now you explain your business in simple words. What business you run, what service you provide, where your business is located, and who your customers are. Once AI understands this, you can ask questions like, how should I reply to this customer? How can I explain my service better? What offer should I run this month? What problems do my customers usually face? Anything. AI helps you think clearly, not blindly. Okay, another one practical tip that I would like to share to you, and most people don't know this. Instead of opening a new chat every single time, you create a project for your business and you explain your business only for one time. Inside that project, store all your business details once. your service, your pricing, your tone, your location. Now, every time you open a new chat inside that project, the AI already knows about your business and you don't have to explain it every single time in every single chat. This saves you time and this gives you more accurate answers. I personally do this for everything. I have one project for my business, one for my AI agency, one for prompting. Every single project does different job. So whether I open a new chat, everything is already connected. I recommend every business owner to do the same. Why this is powerful for small businesses? Most small business owners think alone, overthink their decisions, get confused, waste energy on small things. AI removes that pressure. It is already an expert. It becomes your second brain. You still run the business. AI just helps you think better. You don't need to be technical. You don't need coding, automation, special tools. Don't get into that hustle that you will find on online. If you can explain your business in simple language, you can use AI. AI is not complicated. Used correctly, it's just a thinking partner for your business. If you combine website, Google business profile, reviews, and AI as your assistant, you don't need consultants or external help from anyone. You build a system that supports you every single day. Now, the final section, business owner content creation. Lastly, I want to talk about something that most business owners avoid, creating content. Yes, it takes time, and as a business owner, you are already busy. But here's the point, you don't need to become a content creator, you just need to share your expertise. Now, here's what I mean by it. Whether you get some free time at your shop, maybe when there is no customers, this is exactly what you should do. Go to Quora.com, search for your niche. Let's say if you're a barber, search for things like haircuts, hairstyles, hair health, hair quality, face shapes, and haircuts. You'll find real questions that real people are asking. Turn those questions into authority. Now, here's the important part, you don't guess, you don't copy, you answer with a real expertise. For example, if someone asks, what is the best haircut for round face? You answer it honestly. Explain which style works, which one doesn't, and why you recommend certain cuts. This builds authority. At the end of your answer, do one simple thing. You mention that you provide this service. You are not selling aggressively. You are helping first, and then you are letting people know that you exist. Why this works so well? This because you are answering real doubts. You are building trust before you sell. People see you as an expert, not as an advisor. Now, this definitely is slow, this takes effort, but this is a long term growth. And the honest truth is, this is the most time consuming step. It takes most of your effort. But if you can do this consistently, you will stop being just another shop and you can become the go-to expert. If you combine website, Google business profile, reviews, AI as your assistant, and sharing your expertise, your local business can grow to heights that most people never reach. And that's how you build a real long-term visibility. If you build the foundation and let people find you, earn their trust, and use simple tools to think better, your business starts working with you, not against you. Even small steps compound, even small systems win. And if you stay consistent with this, your local business won't just survive, it will grow definitely. And if you ever feel stuck or you want someone to guide you through this, I offer free Google Meet consultations. The link is in my description. Otherwise, everything you need is already in this video.